Hi all, good morning to you. Here we are in very rich habitat of Cyrus crane. We are in the outskirts of Bharatpur area. This place is very good for viewing of Cyrus crane. And me and Mr. Mukul Sharma had been to this place quite many times. Now we can find a lot of good habitats for Cyrus crane because this is an area which is having a very good paddy fields, rich paddy fields over here. So we can have a good time over here. We can discover a lot of Cyrus crane here. So I'm Samir Khan. We are inviting you for the event, global birding events at Baghbharatpur. To all of you, please kindly join us on 7, 8 and 9 at Baghbharatpur. We can have a good time over there. We can enrich our knowledge of birding, and we can share our views about birding, and we can have a good time over there at Baghbharatpur. You can enrich your knowledge about birding, share views about birding at Team Baghbharatpur. So please kindly join us on Baghbharatpur on 7, 8 and 9 for global birding. See you over there. Good.